Have you ever wondered what would happen if you combine the absolute best features of three completely different cameras into one ultimate flying machine? What if you took the agile, adrenaline-pumping speed of the DJI Avata 2, merged it with the smart, obstacle-avoiding brilliance of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and then slapped a dual-lens Osmo 360 camera right on the front of it? Well, you do not have to imagine it anymore. The wait is officially over. DJI has secretly been working on a massive project, and they have finally created something that is going to completely change the way we capture video from the sky. Welcome to the era of the DJI Avata 360. This is the drone that is going to make you question everything you thought you knew about FPV flying. If you're thinking about buying a new drone right now, you need to put your wallet away, sit back, and listen very closely because the Avata 360 is going to blow your mind. Let's talk about what exactly this beast of a drone is. First of all, the size. It is noticeably larger than the previous Avata 2. If you put them side by side, the Avata 360 definitely looks a lot more robust. It has to be bigger to carry all that new technology. DJI actually finished making this drone way back in December of 2025. They have been sitting on it, perfecting it, and getting ready for a massive launch. And that launch date is coming up very soon. Mark your calendars for the end of March, specifically March 26th, because that is when the whole world gets to see this baby in action. But you do not have to wait until then to know what makes it so special. One of the greatest things DJI did with the Avata 360 is how they handled compatibility. They know you probably already have a bunch of DJI gear lying around, and they're not forcing you to buy everything brand new. If you already own the RC2 remote controller, you're in luck. The Avata 360 works perfectly with it. You can literally just buy the drone by itself with a single battery, pair it with your RC2, and you're ready to take to the skies. Of course, there's a Fly More combo available with 3 batteries if you want longer flight sessions. Just keep in mind that the batteries from your old Avata 2 will not work with a new 360 model. The power demands of those dual lenses require a completely new battery system. Now, let's get into the real magic of the Avata 360. How does it actually fly? This is where things get completely crazy. When you're using the RC2 remote, you have choices. You can fly it in single lens mode. In this mode, it acts exactly like a normal DJI Mini 5 Pro. You get crisp, forward-facing video, perfect for standard cinematic shots. But with the push of a button, you can activate 360 mode. The front lens system shifts, and suddenly, your drone is recording everything. Up, down, left, right, forward, and backward. It captures all the visual information around it. The best part? You can look at any of this 360-degree footage directly on your remote controller while you're flying, or you could just focus on flying and reframe your entire video later when you get home to edit. You will never miss a shot again because the camera is literally looking everywhere at once. But what if you want a true FPV experience? What if you want to feel like you're actually sitting inside the cockpit of the drone? The Avata 360 is fully compatible with the new DJI Goggles N3 and the DJI Goggles 3. You can use the motion controller or the remote controller 3 to fly it. Flying FPV is always cool, but DJI added a feature that is entirely next level. It's called head tracking mode. In older drones, if you turned your head while wearing the goggles, the whole drone had to turn. Not anymore. With the Avata 360, you can put the drone in a steady hover or fly it straight forward in a straight line. While the drone moves straight, you can physically turn your head left or right, and your view inside the goggles will change. You can look out the side window of your drone while it flies forward. The 360 camera feeds the exact angle you're looking at right into the big screen of your goggles. It is an incredibly immersive experience. You see exactly where you're going, but you also have the freedom to look at whatever you want without changing the drone's flight path. A lot of people have been asking a very important question lately. How does the DJI Avata 360 compare to the rumored anti-gravity drone that also has 360 capabilities? The truth is, there's really no contest. The Avata 360 is far more versatile. It is packed with way more usable features that actually make a difference in how you shoot. The anti-gravity drone might sound cool on paper, but in the real world, the DJI ecosystem, the reliability, and a sheer number of flying modes make the Avata 360 the clear winner. Whether you're a total beginner who just wants to get awesome shots without crashing, or a seasoned professional looking for a new tool to get unique angles, you're going to love the Avata 360 so much more. It bridges the gap between a safe, slow cinematic drone and a wild, fast-paced FPV drone, all while giving you the superpowers of a 360 camera. The pricing is also going to be a very pleasant surprise, because DJI allows you to use your existing RC2 and goggles. You do not have to spend a fortune repurchasing gear you already own. You can just buy the standalone drone and save a massive amount of money. The official prices will drop on March 26th, but you can expect it to be incredibly competitive. This is shaping up to be the must-have piece of tech for the year. It opens up creative possibilities that were simply impossible before. You can fly through tight gaps without worrying about where the camera is pointing, because you can frame the gap perfectly in post-production. You can do flybys of moving subjects and keep them perfectly in the center of the frame just by turning your head. It is brilliant. In my own opinion, the DJI Avata 360 is the biggest leap forward in consumer drones we have seen in years. It takes the stress out of flying FPV and replaces it with pure creative freedom. If you have been on the fence about getting into FPV, this is exactly the drone you have been waiting for. It is safe, it is smart, and the footage it produces is going to be absolutely spectacular. What do you guys think? Are you as hyped for the Avida 360 as I am? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on all the latest drone news and tech reveals, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.